Did you know the average person drops their phone about 4 times a year? And when your device is an iPhone 14 Pro Max that costs over $1,000, one slip, one tumble, or one fumbled grab could cost you a small fortune. That heart-stopping moment when your phone hits the ground? Yeah, nobody wants that. But here's the thing. Not all cases are created equal, and with so many options out there, it's tough to know which one will actually protect your investment. That's why today we're diving deep into the top 8 cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, from budget-friendly rugged tanks to slim, stylish shields that keep your phone looking pristine. Whether you're an adventurer who practically lives outdoors, a busy parent juggling multiple tasks, or a minimalist who loves that clean premium feel, there's something here for you. Before we dive in, what's the most important feature you look for in a case? Is it drop protection, MagSafe strength, or just a case that looks amazing while keeping scratches away? Drop your answer in the comments. I always love seeing what you guys value most. 8. Janmita Heavy Duty Case. The Janmita case is all about rugged utility and mechanical innovation. This isn't your average slim shell. It's a dual-layer powerhouse, combining a shock-absorbing TPU bumper with a hard polycarbonate back for serious impact resistance. A standout feature is the mechanical slide camera cover. This tiny yet ingenious addition slides smoothly over the camera lenses to protect them from scratches and dust, clicking securely in place so accidental exposure is a thing of the past. But it doesn't stop there. The 360-degree rotating ring holder doubles as a kickstand, letting you watch videos or video chat hands-free in both portrait and landscape modes. In real-world use, the Janmita performs impressively well against drops and impacts, though you do sacrifice MagSafe and wireless charging, a common trade-off for cases with this much mechanical complexity. Compared to something like the Spigen Tough Armor, the Janmita wins with its unique sliding lens cover and included tempered glass screen protector. Spigen's case is sleeker and supports MagSafe, but it leaves your lenses exposed and doesn't include a screen protector. This case is perfect for active individuals, outdoor adventurers, or anyone tossing their phone in a bag full of keys and gadgets. Seriously, that lens slider is a lifesaver. Do you think more cases should include a physical camera cover like this one? 7. OTOFLY Silicone Series. Next up, we have the OTFLY silicone case in pine green, all about slim, stylish, minimalist protection. Built from high-quality liquid silicone, it has a soft-touch, luxurious feel and a sturdy polycarbonate core with a microfiber lining that prevents scratches. It's surprisingly grippy, making slips less likely, and it offers 6-foot drop protection along with raised 3mm camera bezels to protect your lenses. Unlike the Janmita, this case slides effortlessly into your pocket, making it a great choice for people who hate bulky cases. The trade-off: the tacky silicone can attract lint or slightly cling to fabrics, but honestly, that's a small price for comfort and elegance. Compared to the Apple silicone case, OTOFLY is virtually identical in feel, but comes at roughly a third of the cost. The standard OTOFLY case isn't MagSafe equipped, but if that's a priority, they offer a variant that is. Pine green is a sophisticated deep hue that resists fingerprints better than most lighter colors. This case is ideal for style-conscious users, professionals, or students who want lightweight daily protection. It's the opposite of the heavy-duty Janmita. Here, comfort and elegance take center stage. TORRAS Magnetic Ostand. TORRAS takes innovation to another level with the Ostand. This case integrates a flush-mounted aluminum kickstand that doubles as a high-strength MagSafe ring, letting you watch videos, take FaceTime calls, or use your phone hands-free without the wobble you get from other kickstands. The corners feature X-Shock airbags, surviving drops from up to 10 feet. Compared to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit, the TORRAS Ostand provides much stronger MagSafe attachment and integrates the stand directly into the MagSafe circle, a smart move for travelers and media consumers. While slightly pricier than budget silicone options, its combination of magnetic strength and drop protection makes it worth every penny. This one is a must-have for power users who need protection and convenience. Honestly, who else thinks a hidden kickstand inside the MagSafe ring is just brilliant? 4. SHIELDON Genuine Leather Wallet, SHIELDON's Retro Brown. Leather wallet case is a premium folio for those who value organization and elegance. Crafted from top-grain cowhide, it features 3 card slots, a cash compartment, and RFID blocking technology. A magnetic closure keeps everything secure, while the TPU shell absorbs shocks from drops. The leather develops a beautiful patina over time, giving the case a unique character. Compared to Snakehive, SHIELDON has a more modern finish and includes a lifetime replacement warranty, making it an excellent value for professionals or travelers. Yes, it adds a bit of bulk compared to slim shells like Autofly, but it replaces your wallet, making it convenient for daily use. Are you a wallet case fan? Or do you find the flap gets in the way when taking photos? 3. ORETECH 360-degree protection kit. The ORETECH is a complete 360-degree solution. It combines a hard polycarbonate back, flexible TPU bumper, and 2 9H tempered glass screen protectors. Military-grade drop tested up to 10 feet. It's incredibly slim at just 0.9 millimeters and slides into pockets easily. Corner airbags absorb impact energy without adding bulk. Compared to Spig and Tough Armor, it stands out by including screen protection out of the box. If you just bought a new phone and want full protection without adding weight, this is perfect. Vibrant red color adds a bold flair, which is great for students or anyone who wants their case to stand out. 2. ESR Classic Hybrid, HaloLock. The ESR Classic Hybrid is all about clarity and utility. Crystal clear acrylic shows off your iPhone's design, while TPU sides with airguard corners absorb shocks. Its HaloLock magnetic ring is rated at 1,500 grams, far stronger than competitors, holding MagSafe wallets and car mounts in place during bumpy rides. Compared to the Apple Clear case, ESR offers better magnetic strength, superior drop protection, and UV-stabilized materials to prevent yellowing. Raised edges protect the screen and camera, making it ideal for clear case fans who want to showcase their phone while staying protected. 1. Jaroco Magnetic Armor Case. At the top, the Jaroco Magnetic Armor Case is a heavy-duty, utility-focused beast. Dual-layer TPU and polycarbonate construction, tactile port covers, raised bezels, and a built-in MagSafe ring provide maximum protection without extreme bulk. Matte finish resists fingerprints, and the grip feels secure even in humid conditions. Compared to OtterBox Defender XT, it offers similar protection with MagSafe compatibility at a lower price. This case is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, industrial workers, or parents who want a set-it-and-forget-it shield for their device. Number 1 for a reason. It's armor-level protection with magnetic convenience. And that's the top 8 iPhone 14 Pro Max cases. From the ultra-clear ESR to the tank-like Jaroco, there's something here for everyone. I'm personally a huge fan of the TORRAS Ostand. That hidden kickstand is just too clever to ignore. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which case you're picking up. All the links are below if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.